Hello everybody, welcome back, and today I have another disc detainer lock for you. Here's the key. It's a 7-disc lock. It's the Abus Granit Victory, quite an old model, super shiny, very nice. It's a disc brake lock. Basically you put this part here through a disc brake of your motorcycle and you open it with the key like this. And yeah, this is how you would lock your motorcycle. Let's lock it back up. It actually came with this nice pouch, and yeah. So let's turn all this clockwise as far as they go. And I will be using this sparrows disc detainer pick, since the first disc is a 0 cut. Yeah, let's grab it like this. And then start from the top. Small click there. Binding strongly, good click. Slipped off the disc. No feedback on this one. Good feedback on this one. Going back to the disc without feedback, and still nothing. Good click. This might be in a gate already. What about this one? Okay. These all feel like they are in a gate already, or what? Let's put this one here maybe. Okay, this feels like a false gate. This feels better. Feels like a false gate. Worse. Let's put it here. False gate. Better. False gate. At this point you can clearly tell if you're in a false or true gate. But sometimes it grabs so hard that you really have to release tension. Okay, and this was the last false gate, and I got it in a true gate and got the lock open. Yeah, you can see here now it's unlocked. If I lock it back up, the hook goes in and would lock the bike up. Yeah, pretty nice pick. It gets really responsive after you set a few gates rightly, and then it's really nice to tell if you're in a true or false gate. So if you have the chance to pick up an old model like this, go grab it. I got this one rather cheap, and yeah, it's a really fun disc detainer lock. So anyhow, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.